Remove the fixing screws from the front fork bridge hole. Align the installation hole of the front mudguard with the front fork bridge hole, and at the same time, install the front light. Tighten the screws. Install the mudguard support bracket onto the support positions on both sides of the front wheel. Align the installation holes and tighten the screws. Tighten the screws that secure the front light to the front mudguard. If during installation, you find that the top of the mudguard is too close to the tire, you can lift the hook on the mudguard installation hole slightly. If the bottom of the mudguard is too close to the tire, you can also adjust it to the appropriate position.